Let's take a look at the aux box. The width is 27-inch wide. It could be installed on the right side too. The smooth powder-coated finish that we use on our box, it is to display the quality of our work. As you can see, there is no bent marks or anything like that. This was TIG welded here, buffed to perfection. When we chose the thickness of aluminum that we're going to use to build the box, we obviously thought about weight. We want to keep it lightweight, but also strength is important. So we went with 2.5 mil thick aluminum, and I think that's the best compromise between strength and weight. By insetting the door inside the frame, we created a very rigid box that we can trust for years. Also, the door itself is really rigid. That way we can mount a Rotopax in the center of the door without worrying about the flexibility. This might not be a common configuration, but we want to show you that it's possible to bolt a Rotopax right in the middle of the door. You're going to have to drill holes to do that. Aluminum latch, lockable, aluminum hinges, stainless steel rivets, just the best we could find. This box is also designed with a crown. Included with your aux box, you will have 4 of these aluminum tie-down points. They are designed to be fitted from behind. Anywhere you need them. And the idea is you could strap using carabiner and a ratchet strap, something like this, and even to the top of the carrier. So you could have something mounted here, strapped to the carrier. These are quite versatile and we're in love with them. You can store a backpack, you can throw some firewood, anything that needs to be fitted outside the box will be securely attached with a ratchet strap. Here I have a backpack with a rain cover. Key reasons we went with a fold down door is in the wind, a swing door could be really annoying, a nuisance. And of course, we want to have more horizontal surface when we're camping. If you're gonna have a tailgate party, great place. You can even cook or just warm your hands up or just get the party going after a ski day. I think it's ideal. About 10 years ago, we did the mistake of cooking a piece of salmon inside our van. Well, we were stuck with that smell for months and months afterwards. We don't do this anymore, but as much as we can, we try to cook outside, and I think the aux box is like the ideal cooking surface. Either if you're gonna make chicken Alfredo pasta or cook your salmon. It is lockable and it will come with a set of keys. Your box will come with one of these CNC cut pads inside of the box here just to protect the finish, to keep your stuff from rattling around. In order to have this really sturdy horizontal surface, we have these 2 stainless steel cables to hold the door in place. I would say between maybe 30 and 50 pounds. Please use your judgment as you're putting stuff on top of it. If you need to have access to the shelves or closer inside the box, you can easily take these 2 carabiners. Cable comes off just like that. You can use it as an open space, or it's been designed to have 1 or 2 shelves that are also adjustable. Adding or removing a shelf is also easily done with just an Allen wrench. There's a reason why this shelf is a little short here. It's because I want to be able to put stuff in front of the shelf. It could be like a cooking grill, something like this, or in that case here I have my avalanche shovel, which I can still put in front of the shelf and close the door no problem. The box will come with stainless steel hardware. Like these stainless bolts are nice and round, so less likely to damage stuff that's inside the box. So these rubber pads will space the box away from the carrier, so it won't be rubbing on the carrier. We'll keep the finish fresh. Also, they will be holding your fasteners in place as you're installing the box. Another thing, they will also be sealing from water, dust, and other stuff that could go inside the box, and they will also dampen and take away some of the vibration transferred into the box.